TC cable is indeed available with XHHW conductors. Several manufacturers offer this combination, including General Cable, Prysmian, and Belden, in addition to Southwire. XHHW, which stands for heat and moisture resistant, high heat water resistant conductors, are a specific type of insulated wire designed to withstand high temperatures and exposure to moisture. These conductors are commonly selected for applications where the cable is likely to be subjected to harsh environmental conditions such as industrial facilities or outdoor installations. TC cable, or tray cable, is a type of armored cable designed to provide physical protection to electrical wires. It consists of a flexible metal sheath that encloses the insulated conductors within. TC cable is frequently specified in commercial and industrial settings where there is a potential risk of physical damage to the cables. TC cable with XHHW conductors is generally readily available from electrical distributors and manufacturers. They are typically stocked in various sizes and configurations to accommodate the specific needs of different applications. When choosing TC cable with XHHW conductors, there are several factors to consider. Firstly, size is important. The size of the cable directly impacts its current carrying capacity, which is measured in amps, and its voltage rating, which is measured in volts. You need to select a cable size that is appropriate for the electrical load it will carry and the voltage of the system. Secondly, the configuration of the cable is another consideration. TC cable is available in several configurations, including single conductor, multi-conductor, and shielded options. The configuration you choose will depend on the specific wiring requirements of your application. Thirdly, the type of armor used on the TC cable affects its flexibility and resistance to physical damage. Different armor types offer varying levels of protection against impacts, abrasion, and other potential hazards. Consider the environmental conditions where the cable will be installed, such as temperature, moisture levels, and potential exposure to chemicals. Select a cable that is specifically rated and designed to withstand these conditions. To summarize, to select the most appropriate TC cable with XHHW conductors, one must consider these critical factors. Firstly, cable size. Secondly, cable configuration. Thirdly, cable armor. And fourthly, environmental conditions. The cable size must be sufficient for the current and voltage requirements of the application. The cable configuration must match the wiring needs. The armor must provide adequate protection against physical damage, and the cable must be rated for the environmental conditions in which it will be installed.